What's up guys, it's Emmanuel. Today we have this Porsche Panamera. This one looks great, so this one we're gonna wrap it in satin white. Let's do it.
So that I'm free. I know I can't go on my own. You came so I wouldn't have to go it alone. You took the long road so you could show me home. Found love better than I've ever known. So now I know that I can say you are exalted above everything on the earth that I've seen. Cause I know that my dreams come alive in the love that you promised to me. I'll keep singing your praise and you know I believe. Even when I'm down in the darkness, you call my name out loud. Think I had to do it on my own, but I'm never alone now.
Okay guys, I already removed the headlights, vents, blinkers, gas cap cover, and the tail lights. Over there, everything. So I'm gonna put the links for those removals because I don't want to make the video too long. So if you want to know how to remove those, the link is gonna be on the description of the video, description below. Okay, also I'm gonna remove this and the door handles if I can because it's very hard to remove this, but the link to remove those two are gonna be in the description below. Okay, so now let's start with the hood first and then roof and the rest of the wrap. Let's do it.
Even when I'm down in the darkness, you call my name out. You call me my name now. Used to think I had to do it on my own, but I'm never alone now. Even when I'm down in the darkness, you call my name out loud. Used to think I had to do it on my own, but I'm never alone now. Used to think I had to do it on my own, but I'm never alone now. All this time I thought that what I really wanted was some money or something to fill my bank account. But now I know that all I really wanted was to be yours. Cause you're the one who turned my life around. You're the one who turned my life around. You're the one who turned my life around. Even when I'm down in the darkness, you call my name out loud. Used to think I had to do it on my own, but I'm never alone now. I'm never alone now. Oh, when you're back, baby, I'm never alone now. Used to think I had to do it on my own, but I'm never alone now. Used to think I had to do it on my own, but I'm never.
Okay guys, I already removed the door handle and the side mirror. But to get to this point it's a lot of work, so I don't want to make the video too long, but I'm gonna put the link of the video that I use to remove all these things on the description below. Okay, so check the video if you want to know how to remove it. The link is gonna be on the description of the video down below. All right, so now let's wrap this part first.
You right, no more looking behind. You are good, you are kind, you can have all my life. I'm yours, you are mine.
Cause you're my miracle. You open my eyes. Every day brings new life when I'm by your side. When I'm by your side. Forever, Lord, your love will always be the same. I know that your faithfulness will never change. I'm trusting in the way that you provide for me today. What more can I say? Lift my hands and pray. I know you will always be enough. Always fill my cup. Looked around the world.
Alright guys, this whole side is done. Everything this side, and I already put the windows back, door handles, sorry, side mirrors back, everything. But to remove this is a lot of pain to remove it, so I'm gonna try to do this door without removing that, and I'm gonna cut it here and tuck it here and cut it under here and here. And if that works, this will save me a lot of time. But for this one, I do have to remove this one because the side mirror is on the way. But if you wanna do it without removing the side mirror, it's possible, because you can just have a seam here and the whole thing in one piece. So it's possible, but for this one, this customer, I don't wanna leave a seam in there, so I'm gonna remove this window. But on this one, I think there's no purpose to remove that because the door handle is easy to do. Alright, so let's do that next.
You will never fail me. You will never fail me.
Yeah, you will never fail me. You will never fail me.
You will never fail me. You will never fail me.
You will never fail me. You will never fail me.
Fail me, no.
Whoa, whoa, you will never fail me. You will never fail me.
Never fail me.
Alright guys, so it's done. As you can see, I did it. So this, it looks great. It looks almost the same like the other side. You can see this one, you can see, it's perfect, beautiful. So I save a lot of time without removing that thing, okay? But remember, when you're cutting this, take your time, because even if you wrap this whole door perfect, and if you have the cutting here bad, the whole door is gonna look bad. So take your time, be patient, and you can see it's done. Okay guys, I'm ready to do the rear bumper, but I did an inlay here before I put the big sheet, because I don't want the vinyl to stretch too much. So I have the knifeless tape.
Just when looking at you, open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my sight. Just when looking at you, open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my sight.
Big mountain, what do I say? Them can never lower you my way. You go low, then you go high. You go near, then you go far. You go call around, 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 round, around, round, around. But you're falling down and down and down. You just wanna go the distance.
Okay guys, the next thing to do is the front bumper, and the last thing, but I already added some inlays. You can see it. I have one here and one on the other side, and the bottom, I already did the bottom, so I only have to do the top part in one piece. So let's do that next.
I'm confident your love will be my sight. Just when looking at you, open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my sight.
But sana sana nakupenda, roho yangu umeguza. Mungu nisho kama huyu ni mke wangu. Sana sana nakupenda, roho yangu umeguza, roho yangu umeguza.
Okay guys, the car is ready, so now let's see how it looks outside in the sun. Alright guys, you can see it there. It looks amazing. I love it. The color is 3M satin white. Okay, and I added a little bit of tint here and there, so it looks better for me in my opinion with that. And this one too, I added this. That one is gonna be on the description below, the links for that. Okay, for everything that I use today, it's gonna be on the description below. But let me know what you guys think. I love it. Looks the color looks amazing. This is satin white. There is only one problem with this material. If you put your finger, it will leave dirt. So it's a fingerprint magnet. That's the only problem. Like this, had to clean it. But other than that, this looks amazing. You can see it there. I removed the logo and put it back again. So looks beautiful, beautiful. You can see it there. Yes, the taillight, I love the taillight. Looks more aggressive with this tint. Okay, so now it's time. Oh, I still have to put the letters back. Oh man, okay. All right, let me know what you guys think about this one. All right, thanks for watching. Okay guys, the car is ready. It looks amazing. The color is satin white. All right, it's a 3M color, 3M wrap. But let me know what you guys think. Put in the comments. I love it. It looks beautiful. Okay, let me know what you guys think on the comments. All the links for materials that I use are gonna be on the description below. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you in the next video.